How's it going, YouTube? Decided to start making some videos about lockpicking, just to kind of track my progress. So I figured I'd start off with the first locks that I learned how to pick, and some of the methods that I used. This is the first lock that I learned how to pick. It's a master lock number 40. It's got a disc shaped, sealed 4-pin tumbler padlock. And when I first started, I wanted to start making picks. Started using hacksaw blades. This is the very first lock pick that I've ever made. It's made out of a hacksaw blade. Really awful looking, but it works. So I'll demonstrate here. Tensioner in there. Yep. And yeah, I'll do that again. You can see. Alright, master lock number 40 there. Moving on. So I unlocked the master lock pretty quick when I first started doing this, so it kind of boosted my confidence. I said, shit, I can unlock anything else. So I went and bought this Brinks R70. It's like a max security lock. I think they sell it at Lowe's and Walmart and stuff, in a package that says max security. So this thing will not work on it though at all, period. But it does have security pins in it. I think it's got 3. It's a 4-pin. It's got 3 security pins, and one just standard. I don't have a key for it. I don't have a key for the master lock either. I gave it to my kid. He kind of ran off with it. The faucet. Even bigger faucet. And there it goes. So, a Brinks R70. It's got a couple of security pins in it. This is just a smaller version of that. I think it's like a Brinks R20. I can do that a key for it. That's the key. Yeah. Alright. Pretty much the same thing, just smaller. What I do is just kind of use a short hook and wiggle it around so I get a faucet, and you'll get some counter rotation on the security pins. And there that one goes too. The R70 was, the security pins and the counter rotation is just huge. I don't know if it's like that on all of them. They make a bigger one too. I think it's called an R80. I haven't picked one of those yet. I pretty much know it'll be the same. See, that's kind of in a faucet. I get this in here. You can see the counter rotation. like I said, these are the first locks that I learned how to pick. Be doing some more videos on some higher security locks. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching.